In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the string scene tool. The string scene tool is right here, but you'll notice that it is disabled. And that's because you have to have at least 2 batter boards in your scene before you can add a string, because you have to stretch a string between batter boards. So I'm going to go ahead and add just 2 batter boards in here and zoom in a little bit. And now you can see the string tool is enabled. It does have a shortcut key of S, so if I press the S key, we will select the string tool. Now a string needs to be drug from one batter board to another, and you can do this with your finger by pressing on one batter board and dragging to the other, or with the mouse. If you're using a mouse, as you get close to a batter board, what you'll see is a little preview indicator letting you know that you're close enough. And when you see this preview indicator, you can start dragging and adding a string. So I'm going to press and I'm going to drag. Now you'll notice that string is red. That means we haven't snapped to anything yet. So if I let go, it just disappears. We can't just have a string hanging out in space. So this time I'm going to get close and I'm going to drag this string out. And you'll notice that as I get close to a different batter board, the string snaps to that batter board and becomes blue. As soon as that string turns blue, I know that I can let go, and now we have added a string between these 2 batter boards. When the string tool is enabled, all the existing strings have these little handles that show up, these buttons that show up, that allow you to come in here and drag the end point of that string along the batter board that it's attached to. You can't drag this to another batter board. It's constrained to this particular batter board. But you can come in here and adjust this guy as much as you want. To delete a string, you'll need to use the delete key. Now, one more thing. If you have added a string between 2 batter boards and you delete one of those batter boards, the string will also be deleted. Furthermore, let me add that batter board back in here and add that string. If you have a string running between 2 batter boards and you move either of the batter boards, the string will also be deleted. So if I come in here and I grab this batter board and I go to move it, the string will be removed and you'll have to re-add it.